for this Range Rovers, this is the gear knob, and what happens is that it is flat, as you can see, but once we switch the vehicle on, it comes out, and that is where now you can change from parking to reverse to neutral to drive, and also you can put in sports mode. So let us put the car on. So here is the start and stop button for this Range Rover. So look at this one.
At this point I had to mute because there was some music playing on the background, so I had to mute because of copyright issues. And I hope guys you have enjoyed and you have seen how that gear knobs works. Remember also, if you need to sell your car, or maybe you need to import your car from the UK, or you need also to buy your car, another car locally, all the Range Rovers, this is a Range Rover paradise. So feel welcome guys, and we have so many vehicles for you. So just log into our website and you'll find more information about any car that you may need. Thank you.